To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the top of your story to start creating a new one. You can take a new photo or video, or select one from your gallery. Next, tap the sticker icon, represented by a smiley face at the top. A list of various stickers will appear. Find the poll sticker and tap on it. Type the question you want to ask, and then enter the poll options, for example, yes, no, or any custom answers you prefer. You can customize the poll color by tapping the circular color icon at the top of the poll. Tap Done in the top right corner when you are finished. You can adjust the sticker's size by using 2 fingers, and position it by dragging it anywhere on the screen. Finally, tap Your Story or Close Friends to share it. Your story has been updated. Check it out. Once posted, your followers can vote on the poll, and you can view the poll results by swiping up on your story. So that's how you can create and customize polls on your Instagram story.